Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to work on this ET-8550. Doesn't pick up anything from cassette number 2. We're going to put a printer on the side. Do not put a printer on the left side like this because your mainboard is on that side. And always put on the right side like this. We're going to remove 3 layers of trays. The first is the paper tray and CT tray and this stacker. We're going to press next, make it in the printing mode, and then we're going to observe when the rod is turning, if the black rubber is turning or not. You can see when the rod is turning, that gear next to the rod didn't budge at all. It doesn't turn. Okay, let's check out what's going on. We're going to dig our hands in and remove this black lever. There's no trick, just brute force it, and it can release from its tab. Now press this little gear on the top to your right. You can release that little lever and then take off the arm. Let's check out the arm. And it seems the customer tried to fix himself. Probably that spring fall off, and it seems he put in whatever he can find on the market. And that's a wrong spring for sure. Where to find this spring? We can go to bchtechnology.com and search for ET-8550 parts list. And we select this document. I constantly update this document, so whenever I have a new update, you should automatically receive newest version. When I make a new video, I put a little YouTube icon here. You click that, and it will jump to how to work with this part. And all the parts are numbered. So if you click the number, it brings you to the product page. You can get a spare part. For example, today we work on this pickup arm and pickup roller, also roller spring. But the spring doesn't explain why the gear is not turning and why the black roller is not turning. So we remove 2 springs from the side of the arm and use our hands slowly open up the arm. And we take out the gear and take a look. Did you see the problem? Well, you'll know where to find a replacement gear. I just showed you. So we have this replacement gear in, and really easy. Just put it in. The black roller, if you look closely, I have 2 keyways, which corresponded to tabs on the hub. So when you install, there's directions. You have to match up the keyways, the tabs on the hub. Then put the 2 screws back. Now we have the correct spring. To install it, there you have opening on the side, so you wedge it in. Imagine this has 2 arms, and there's a bigger arm, there's a small arm. The smaller arm goes to the smooth side of the rod, and the bigger arm goes to the rough side of the rod. Press that key on the top to release the lever, then fold down the pickup arm. This black arm has a smooth side, another side has a little tab like this. Okay, point that to that slot on the arm, and now you can press down the black lever. Just press it down really hard, make sure it has 2 locks. And let's see if the replacement works. Nice. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please visit us at bchtechnology.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.